Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2019. Here they have given few lines of code and they are asking for which one of the following will happen when the function convert is called with any positive integer n as an argument. Means they are calling this convert function by passing some positive integer. Then what will happen? And they have given few options here. Okay, let's analyze it by taking some positive numbers. So for example, I have taken some positive number as 5. Yes, I have passed some positive number 5 here. Is 5 less than 0? Condition fail. When fail, it is going to execute the else block. Else block. Now, it is going to execute what function? Convert function. Convert of 5 by 2. Convert of 5 by 2 is what? Convert of 5 by 2. Here you need to understand 2 points. One is division operator, another one is modulus operator. Modulus operator always results remainder value. Division operator results quotient value. If you remember, it will be easy. Convert of what will happen? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means you will get 2. So I am going to pass 2. Now once again it is going to call the same function once again. Convert of 2. 2 less than 0. Fail else block. Convert of 2 by 2. Then what you will get here? 2 by 2 is 1. Now 1 is passed here. 1 less than 0. Fail. Now once again it is going to execute convert of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is what? 1. Next once again it is going to pass. Convert of 1. Else condition. Convert of 1. Like this it will continue. It will continue. Right? See, if you didn't understood here, I will take one more another way. Just make representation. I am going to represent here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us take some numbering on the statements. Okay. Here what I am going to do is I am going to pass some positive value. Okay. So I am taking some different representation, some stack. We will call it as a stack. I have given some integer value 5. 5 less than 0. Yes. Condition fails. Then it is going to execute else condition. When else condition is executing, it is going to call what function? Convert function, right? So what about the remaining statements? The remaining statements, when convert function is called, convert of 5 by 2. While this function is executing, all the remaining statements will be isolate. It won't execute, right? So after execution of convert function, which statement I need to execute? Fifth statement I need to execute. Now convert function I am passing 5, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 if I pass, what will happen? You will get 2. So convert of 2. Now convert of 2 once again executing. When executing 2 less than 0, condition fails, then it is going to execute else condition. So once again it is going to call convert of 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. Once it completes this statement, then only the fifth line statement will be executed. Okay, so now convert function will be called once again. 1 will be called here. 1 less than 0 condition fail else. Convert of 1 by 2. Convert of 1 by 2 is what? Convert of 1 only. 1 only. When the statement will be executed, then only the fifth line will be executed. Now once again convert of 1 will be called. Now 1 less than 0 condition fail. Now once again convert of 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2 is 1 only. 1 modulus 2 is 0. Okay. So convert of 1. Now convert of once again 1. When convert of 1 will execute, then only fifth statement will be executed. Like this process will continue. Means you won't get stopped this process. You won't get stopped this process. Now let's see. They have given few statements here. It will not print anything. Is there any thing it is going to print? When it is going to print? It will print only when this statement will be executed or the fifth statement will be executed. But if you see the scenario here, is fifth statement is printed executing anywhere? No, it won't execute until nothing. It won't execute anywhere. Okay, so it will not print anything. and it will not terminate. Is there any termination here? No termination. So our answer is option A. The another answers like given they have given, it will print the binary representation of n, but it will not terminate. No, it will not terminate. Yes, it will not terminate, but it will print binary representation. Means they are saying that it will print, but it won't print anything. So this option is wrong. Here also it will print. There is no print here. Here also it will print. No print. So option A is correct answer. So this problem you can solve in two ways. One is general method by analogy, or another way is you can use the stack. I hope you understood this one. Thank you.